By the time the crew drills the well to final depth, it usually has several strings of casing in it. These strings are called conductor casing, surface casing, intermediate casing, and production casing. Notice that the cased well looks something like a telescope pulled out to full length. That is, as the crew drills the well deeper, the size of the hole and the size of the casing gets smaller in diameter. Almost always, the drilling contractor cannot begin drilling at the surface and go all the way to total depth in one step. For one thing, formations near the surface tend to crumble and cave in easily, so conductor casing prevents cave-ins. For another thing, formations near the surface may also hold fresh water that the well cannot contaminate. So surface casing protects freshwater zones. For still another thing, deep formations are sometimes so-called troublesome formations. That is, they can be drilled by adjusting the properties of the drilling mud, but, once drilled, need to be sealed off to prevent problems in drilling the deeper portions of the well. So, intermediate casing seals off troublesome zones. Sometimes deep wells require more than one intermediate casing string. Finally, once the producing zone is drilled, it needs to be protected and sealed, so production casing isolates the producing zone.